Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lecture Social Studies class 5. Dear students, hope you clearly understand or learn your lesson number 6, and now it's time to solve our work page and answer of the following questions. So let's start. Well, unit number 2, Geography of Pakistan, lesson number 6, Mineral power resources and industries. Answer keys for questions. Come to the first question. The first question is, name the different minerals found in Pakistan. Why are minerals important? The answer of the question is gypsum, magnesite, gemstones, barite, fluorite, sulfur, soapstone, marble, rock salt, limestone, and clay. Minerals are important as raw materials for industry. Come to next question. Why is it not worthwhile to mine some minerals? Answer of the question is, sometimes it is difficult to reach the minerals and quite expensive to acquire machinery and labor required to mine them. If the quantity available does not justify the cost, it is not worthwhile to mine them. Come to question number 3. Which parts of Pakistan are rich in minerals? Answer of the question is, chromite is found at Muslim Bagh near Quetta. Copper deposits are found at Sandak and Rekodik. Iron ore is found in Damar Nisar and Kalabagh and Chilghazi. Antimony is mined at Cringe. Question number 4 is, the highest use of electricity is in Punjab. Balochistan uses very little. Can you give the reason? Answer of this question is, Punjab uses a lot of electricity because many of the industries are located there, which require a lot of electricity to run. On the other hand, due to lack of industries and smaller population in Balochistan, lesser electricity is used there as compared to Punjab. Come to the next question, question number 5. Explain the importance of power resources for a country. Answer is, power resources are important because they are needed for the running of industries, households, and transportation. Question number 5. Now come to question number 6. The next question, what are the features that attract tourists to Pakistan? Tourists are attracted to the famous historical sites and buildings. They also go trekking, mountaineering, fishing, and hunting. Next question is, describe the other major industries in Pakistan. Woolen, textiles, art silk, chemicals, cooking oil, fertilizers, cement, iron, steel, and engineering are major industries of Pakistan. Which is the largest industries in Pakistan? Yes, cotton textiles is the largest industry in Pakistan. Make a list of the goods produced by the Pakistan's cottage industries. The answer of this question is utensils, cutlery, pottery, shoes, surgical instruments, sports goods, handicrafts, carpets, toys, furniture, carved doors and windows frames, ornaments, dyeing, printing, and tailoring are also cottage industries. Come to the question number 9. Where are most of the industries located? Which are the places with no industry? Answer of the question is, most of Pakistan's industries are located in the Punjab, Sindh, and in parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. There are very few industries in Balochistan due to unavailability of water and power and inaccessibility to raw materials. Come to the work page. Yes, come to the work page. Question number 1 is make your own glossary about the minerals of Pakistan by completing the table below using the names of the correct minerals. My glossary of the minerals of Pakistan. The only metallic ore mined on a large scale in Pakistan, mainly used to harden steel. Answer of this question is chromite. Answer of the first one blank is chromite. The next one is a non-metallic mineral used in making paints, glass, insecticides, mainly found near Khuzdar, Balochistan. The answer is barite. Dash, a decorative stone used in buildings, occurs in white, grey, yellow and brown. The answer of this question is marble. Come to the next sentence. Used as a raw material for sulfuric acid found in Kohe Sultan and Sani. Answer of this is sulfur. The last one is raw material for cement, also used to make glass. Answer of this glossary is limestone. Come to the next question. Match the places with the minerals. Answer of this question is Hunza. You have to match Hunza with rubies, Cringe with antimony, Koita with chromite, Skardu with aquamarine, Kohe Meran is fluorite, Spinkan is magnesite. These are the correct places of minerals. Now come to the next question. The industry receives power from different sources. The engineers have forgotten which power is coming from which source. Write the name of the energy in each box. Answer of this question is oil, petroleum, natural gas, coal, electricity and solar energy. Now let's talk about question number 4. Fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences. Number 1 is in most of the places in Pakistan the shortest day is dash hours. Answer is 9.5 hours. The province of dash uses the most electricity. Answer is Punjab. A million watts of electricity is called a megawatt. Cotton products from Pakistan are dash, textile, household linen, hosiery and canvas. Next one is major centers of the wool industry in Pakistan are Harnai and Mustang in Balochistan, Bannu and Nowshera in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Qaidabad, Lawrencepur, Rawalpindi and Sahiwal in Punjab, and Karachi, Hyderabad and Ladkana in Sindh. The next fill in the blanks is sulfuric acid is used for making dash. Answer is soap, paper, textiles, fertilizers and iron and steels. The next one is the raw materials for making cement are limestones and gypsum. The last one is the names of the government owned steel and engineering plants are dash, Pakistan Steel Mills and Pakistan Machine Tool Factory, Karachi, Heavy Mechanical Complex, Texla. This is the answer of this blank. Hope you clearly understand